Hello everyone, welcome to Master J Skills. Today we will see how to download and install Java into the Windows system. Here I'll be installing Java 8. Before we install Java, first we will verify that Java is installed into our system or not. For this we have to just go to the command prompt and just type the Java-version. Once if you enter, we will get this kind of response. It is saying Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or a batch file. So it's telling Java is not recognized by the system. It means that Java is not installed into the system. So now let's download the Java. Then we will see how to install. Just open any of the browser and type Oracle Java download for Windows. So if you can see there are two links, that is www.oracle.com and www.java.com. As I already said in the last video that Java is taken over by the Oracle. So you can just click on the first link, that is Oracle, and we are into the Java downloads page. And if you come little bit down, you can see the recent release of a Java, that is Java 19 and 17. This version is introduced for 3 different operating system. And if you come little bit down, and you can see Java 8 and 11 is there, and I'm going to download Java 8 for Windows. Just click on the Windows tab and it will ask for which specification you want, and I'll be downloading it for 64-bit. So just click on this and it will ask for a consent. Just click on download and it will ask for login credentials. If you don't have any accounts, just click on the create account. Just click on the create account and it will ask for some specific information that you need to provide, like email address, password, retype the password, country, name, job title, work phone, company name, address, city, state and postal code. Once if you're done, just click on the create account. Then it will redirect to, it will send a verification link to your email address which is given here, and just click on that. Once verified, just click on the sign in. And I have already account called Master J Skills at gmail.com, and I'm giving the password. Just once you log in, automatically it will download. The Java 8 is downloaded here. I'm just double clicking on it. So it will pop up with an installer, Windows installer, and it's preparing to install. So wait for it. So it has popped up with an welcome to installation wizard, and it is asking to please wait, and click on the next. And you can click on next. Wait for the installer complete this process, and once it's done, it will pop up with the next step. It is installing Java. You can see the status, and even it will show you all the statuses while installing. Java 8 successfully installed, so you can just close it. Now we have to verify our Java is installed or not in 2 ways. First, we will go to our C drive and go to the program files. You can see the Java folder is created here. If you click on this, you will get JDK and JRE of 8 as a visible here. We will understand in deep about both the structures, like what and all the Java and JRE contains, and complete virtual machine we will study. And this is the one way this has installed, you can see. and moreover we have to see it in the same way as we saw. We will verify from the command prompt by java hyphen version command. Just click on this. When we started, initially we saw some response as an internal external. Java cannot recognize as an internal and external resource, but if you see here now, it is giving the Java version as a Java 8. Okay, if you see this one, and if you want to verify any of the Java, just give this command. It will give you all of the information about the Java. Okay, this is all about how to download and install Java into our Windows system. If you have any doubts of downloading and installing Java, please drop in the comment box. I will happy to answer. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching.